Hey all, welcome to Infobook Technologies YouTube channel. This is Rajkumar. Today we're going to explore Firebase SDK in Android. What is Firebase used for in Android? So everybody has a question like what is Firebase? First of all, Firebase is a platform developed by Google for creating mobile and web application. Similarly, it's a backend by Google. Google Firebase is a Google backend application development software that enables developers to develop iOS, Android, and web apps. Firebase provides tools for tracking, analytics, reporting, and fixing app crashes, create marketing, and product experiments. So these are the service provided by the Firebase. So in order to access these services, you have to go with the console. So here's the link for Firebase Console. Also, I gave you in the below description. So open Google, type Firebase, and you will see the Firebase. Here, you have to click the Firebase Console. You will see the dashboard of Firebase. Go to Add Project, and you have to name a project. For example, I'm going to write Firebase demo. So create continue, and it gives you the analytics for your Firebase project. Make sure it's enabled. Continue. It will ask you to create a Google Analytics account. Create a new account, or you can default account for Firebase. Then continue. Create a project. So the project is ready. Continue. It will take you to the console dashboard. So basically console, you can catch logs of exceptions, what exactly the user faced, so that you can improve your code. So basically other than the Crashlytics, there are a lot other options out there like the authentication, Firebase store database, and real-time database, storage, hosting, and machine learning. We're not going to see everything. We're going to see what are the relevant to our application. So first, authentication. Authentication provides you manage the user from variety of providers without server-side code. So if you click on get started, it will take you to the authentication screens. It provides you different sets of sign-in methods like Google, Facebook, all kind of social network, and also it provides you the templates. So if you want to send an email verification or a SMS verification or password reset, email address change, so these are the template. You can change whenever you want as per your company stance. And there is a tab usage. It will give you the number of users, active users, or the verifications. And here it will give you the number of users who are all signed into your application. Firestore database helps you to store the data in cloud when multiple devices can access the data. It's removes the hardware by creating a server and running day and night to store the data. And real-time database helps you to store the data in the database or cloud got synced by other users in order to collaborate with one another. For example, when the user update into database, it stores into the cloud. Simultaneously, it's update to the other devices in a milliseconds. So basically, it is optimized for offline as well. For example, when a user update anything, when the user has a low signal, it will create a cache in the application. When the signal is back, it will update to the cloud. And then the storage gives you like store and retrieve user generated files like image, audio, and video without server side code. And the hosting, You can host your own web service, website, and etc. And it also provides you the analytics. Basically, analytics, it's to analyze the user experience so that it's helps you to develop the business. It's basically for business perspective. And engage. Engage makes the user engage to your application so that the user, they don't want to get away from your application for any request like external URL or YouTube video kind of thing. In order to create your application, you have to start by adding Firebase to your application. So I'm going to create Android. I'm going to select Android. They have options like iOS, Android, and Web and Unity. So I'm going to create Android. So here's the screen where you have to register your application, Android application. So you have to mention the package name and Android app name and the SHA. So where if you want to more secure for required for dynamic links and Google sign in or phone number support, you have to go with the SHA. So you have to generate the SHA in the Android Studio and you have to paste it here and register the app. Thank you.